Hi guys, I know a lot of you came across this issue from PS4, blue light of death. I had it for 3 days in a row and this is the way I fix it. After I tried the easy things from the safe mode menu, like restart your PS4 or change resolution or unplug all the cables, I decided to do this. After a small research, I came across this website from PlayStation, and all I had to do is download from the right side reinstallation file. Uh, After you do that, all you have to do is to copy these files on an empty stick. How you gonna do it, I will show you in a second. So on an empty stick, you have to create a PS4 folder. Inside of this PS4 folder, you'll have to create another folder and name it update. Inside of this folder, you'll have to copy everything that you download from the PS4 website. And after that, everything will be just easy. Remember, by doing this, you're gonna delete everything that is in your console. So just take the USB, put it in your console, hold the on off button for 7 seconds until you heard the second beep, and all you have to do after that is choose the option number 7 from the PS4 safe mode menu. By doing this, I'll remember you that you're gonna delete everything, you're gonna start fresh, and you'll have to reinstall all your games and everything that was before on your console. I hope this will be useful for you too, so good luck.